Good morning, friends. Let's talk about daily commodity and its technical level. Yesterday, we have noticed that again gold corrected by 0.67% and closed at 50,924. Silver also corrected at 2.38% and closed at 64,007 levels. In international market, gold is trading around $1927 per ounce and silver is trading around $26.37 per ounce. The trend of gold and silver is looking negative on the back of positive outcome and positive trade talks between US and China. Also positive outcome in the front of COVID-19 vaccination. So we expect some profit booking again may be seen in gold and silver prices. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 50,500, resistance at 51,800. Silver has a strong support at 63,000, resistance at 66,800. We recommend sell in gold and silver. We also recommend sell in first commodity index Bulldex. Traders can go for short in Bulldex for the target of 15,900 levels. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that base metal also increased by 0.89%. Copper increased by 0.89%. And other base metal also increased sharply. Zinc also increased by 2.52%. The positive trade talk between US and China supportive for the base metal. Copper has a strong support at 511, resistance at 522 in September contract. Zinc has a strong support at 192, resistance at 199. We recommend buy in base metal as the positive trade talk between US and China will support the base metal. So traders can go for buy in base metal for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the energy segment. Yesterday we have noticed that crude oil prices increased sharply. It's increased by 1.90% on MCX, and in international markets prices are trading above $43 and trading at $43.35 per barrel. The positive outcome from US and China trade talks supportive for the crude oil prices. There is expectation of increased demand from the China of the crude oil, so we recommend buy in crude oil prices for intraday perspective. Crude oil has a strong support at 3150, resistance at 3320. Traders can go for buy in crude oil prices for intraday perspective. Natural gas also looking positive. Currently is trading around 184.70. For intraday perspective, it has a strong support at 180, resistance at 189. The trend of natural gas is positive, so traders can go for buy in natural gas for intraday perspective. So we hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. So thank you very much.